In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, launch your keyboard and tap on this gear at the top. Then scroll to choose voice input. Default one should be Samsung, so if it's not, click on it and go back to your keyboard. Use this microphone at the bottom right corner. Hit while using the app and start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, tap on the same microphone. Now let's try Google One, located in the same section of your settings. Tap on Google Voice Typing, go back, select this microphone located at the same place, and start talking again. This time you can pause to stop or operate this button. To manage some available options, click on the left one. To delete text on the go, click on this one with an X. And lastly, to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!